If your pool heater is making weird noises, you definitely want to figure out what's going on before it turns into a big mess. Okay, so first thing, check the burner area because sometimes dirt or debris can mess with the flame and cause those odd sounds. Next, look at the heat exchanger. If it's clogged or corroded, it might rattle or make knocking noises. You can clean the burner ports gently with a brush or compressed air to clear out any gunk blocking the flame. Make sure the gas supply is steady and that there are no leaks, because inconsistent gas flow can cause popping or banging. Also, listen for any water flow issues. Sometimes air trapped in the system leads to weird noises. Regularly flushing your heater can keep minerals from building up and causing clanks or banging sounds. Keep an eye on the pilot light too. If it's flickering or weak, that could be the source of strange noises. Lastly, don't forget to schedule annual maintenance with a pro to catch problems early before things get worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with noisy pool heaters is ignoring burner maintenance. Dirty burners cause uneven flames and loud sounds, so cleaning them regularly fixes this. Another common issue is failing to address heat exchanger corrosion, which leads to rattling and leaks. The best fix is to replace or professionally repair the exchanger before it damages your whole system. The third problem is neglecting air in the lines or water flow issues, which create gurgling or knocking noises. Bleeding the system and checking the pump's operation usually solves this stuff fast. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. It's also great for contractors looking to connect with new clients who need their skills for home improvement jobs.